Hello everyone, welcome to day 2 of 365 days crochet challenge, and in today's video we are going to show you how to make a chain. So to make a chain, you're going to hold the yarn like this. So you need a finger to control the yarn tension and two fingers to hold the knot. Okay, so we are going to hold the knot like this. You're going to cross your hook and your yarn like this, push and yarn over. I'm going to show that again. Push and yarn over, and you're going to pull out a loop. Okay, so again push, yarn over. So just watch here. I'm just moving my hook and I'm holding the tension. I'm just moving my hook so that the yarn wraps up around my hook, and when I'm pulling it out, I'm just moving this finger to release the tension a little bit so that my yarn comes out. Again, you have to pull your finger like this so that it gets adjusted to the shaft. So we're going to do this again. Yarn over, pull out a loop, adjust it to the shaft. Yarn over, pull out a loop, adjust it to the shaft. Again yarn over, pull out a loop, adjust to the shaft. So now we have our chain stitches. So I'll meet you tomorrow with another crochet stitch.